Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So title से आपको already पता चल गया होगा that today I'll be talking about few products from Charlotte Tilbury. I'll be trying few products from Charlotte Tilbury. So Charlotte Tilbury is a high-end brand. It's actually a luxurious brand and they launched recently on Nykaa. I guess 2-3 weeks back they launched on Nykaa and I have got few products with me which I'll be trying out in today's video. I'll be creating this look. So I have got this Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream, their foundation and this airbrush powder and mascara as well. So I didn't buy all these products from Nykaa actually. मेरे पास ये products पहले से थे. I mean this magic cream I had from some time and the powder and the foundation actually I bought from Curl Beauty some time back only. अभी तक मैंने इनको ट्राई नहीं किया है. In today's video only I'll be trying the foundation and the powder for the very first time. So I'll give you my first impression on both of these products and I'm planning on doing a wear test as well for the foundation. So if you're interested to know how these products perform and what is my first impression about all these products, please keep on watching this video. Also, this video is not at all sponsored. I bought everything with my own money. I don't get PRs from Nykaa obviously. So whatever is the first impression or review I'll be sharing with you in today's video, it's totally honest. So now without any further ado, let's start rolling. I have already done my eye makeup because I don't have any eye makeup from Charlotte Tilbury. I have these base products only from this brand. So the very first product which I'm going to use today is this one. This is their Magic Cream. So this one is Charlotte Tilbury's Magic Cream. So there are two variants available on Nykaa as I can see. So there is like 30 ml variant which retails for 5,650 rupees. Another one is 50 ml which retails for 8,800 rupees, which is too much. So the one I have with me is 15 ml. As I already told you, I didn't buy all these products from Nykaa actually. So this one I got as a part of some set which I purchased. This was part of some Sephora set which I purchased from some Instagram store. So I don't think it costed me that much. It costed me less only. So if we calculate like this 15 ml according to whatever price is there on Nykaa, if they have this 15 ml, this will cost around 2000 or something. But I don't think this one costed me that much when I purchased it as a part of Sephora set from Instagram seller. So anyway, I'll be using this one today. This Magic Cream is a very famous product from Charlotte Tilbury. So let's see what all it claims. By the way, it has hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, vitamin E and Bionim peptide complex. I don't know what that is, but it is supposed to diminish the appearance of wrinkles and improve the look and feel of skin smoothness, and it is supposed to moisturize your skin really well. And what else? Yeah, it will brighten your skin, it will even your skin tone. So all those things it claims, and it's supposed to moisturize the skin for 24 hours. I have actually already used this product once or twice. I don't think it provides a moisturization for 24 hours, at least that's what my experience. It is a good cream. It moisturizes the skin really well, but ऐसा नहीं है कि 24 hours के लिए ये आपके skin को moisturize रखेगा. So this is how this cream looks like from inside. And the smell of this cream is very familiar. Somehow it smells like Nivea to me. Don't kill me on saying this, but it smells like Nivea to me somehow. So I'm taking this much. I'm taking some more because that was not enough. So I'm thinking of using this as moisturizer and as primer as well. I'm thinking of not using any primer on top of it. So yeah, this is how it looks, and this cream has little bit of tacky feel to it. तो इसके ऊपर जो foundation होगा ना वो काफ़ी अच्छे से apply होगा, and it provides little bit of brightness as well. Like you can see, my skin is looking glowy, but I don't feel a lot of moisturization or hydration on my skin. So yeah, I don't know why it says that it will moisturize your skin for 24 hours. Somehow I don't feel it. Like the feeling of it is really good. It feels luxurious, and yeah, but I don't think it provides a lot of moisturization to the skin. Next up I have this foundation from Charlotte Tilbury. It's their Airbrush Flawless Foundation. It comes in this kind of outer packaging, and all the ingredients and everything is mentioned on back of the packaging. This foundation on Nykaa retails for 4000 rupees and you get 30 ml of product in this. Somehow when I'm seeing this on Nykaa, like on the home screen, it shows 24 shades. Like, I'm not sure whether you can see, like here it shows 24 shades, but when I open it I can only see 14 shades. So I think there is some issue, some bug in Nykaa's app. But as far as I know, there are 40 something shades available in this foundation. So I got this foundation from Cult Beauty. Actually, I didn't purchase it from Nykaa. Like before this launched on Nykaa, I already placed my order on Cult Beauty for this foundation and the powder, which I'll show you. So I bought this from Cult Beauty. It costed me around 3300 or 3400 or something around that. So the shade which I got in this foundation is 7 Neutral. इस foundation को actually मैंने use करके नहीं देखा है face पे, but मैंने इसको swatch करके देखा है. From that only I can tell you that this foundation actually oxidizes a lot. इसके लिए मैंने swatch करा था इसको so that I can know कि ये oxidize होता है या नहीं. So let's see if there are any claims on this foundation. So what I can see here is like it is sweat proof, humidity proof, waterproof and transfer resistant, and it gives a flawless, poreless looking finish. It says that it is a weightless full coverage formula with a natural matte finish, and it gives a flawless, poreless looking finish. So we'll see about all those things. So by the way, this is how this foundation looks from inside. So you get this glass bottle with this golden color cap. The packaging is no doubt very luxurious. You're actually getting what you pay for, I guess. So when you open it, you get a pump here, which is a very good thing. Like, because sometimes what happens in these high-end brands, sometimes you don't get the pump with the foundation, which is a big bummer actually. Like MAC foundation, you don't get a pump with that foundation. So I don't like this thing. At least you are getting pump in this foundation, which is a very good thing. Now let's try this foundation on the face. So I'm taking one pump of this foundation on back of my hand. I'll take one full pump. So you get this much amount. You actually don't get a lot of amount in one pump. Now you can see this is how the consistency of this foundation is. It doesn't look very thick and it is not very runny as well. It has a very nice creamy texture. Now let's apply this, and I hope and wish that it works well on my skin. So I'm directly applying using a beauty sponge. I'm not using a brush for this. I'll directly apply using beauty sponge, and I have a little bit of glitter on my face because of this eye look. By the way, if you want to see how I created this eye look, you can follow me on Instagram because I'll upload this video on my Instagram. So I can feel that this foundation has a fragrance in it. It is blending so easily. I'll only apply foundation on this half and then we'll compare actually. So this is how it looks on this side of my face, and you can clearly see the difference. It has covered most of these marks I have. So I have this acne mark here. तो इसने अच्छे से उसको कवर कर दिया है, नॉट फुली बट स्टिल काफ़ी अच्छे से कवर कर दिया है. एनीवे दिस मार्क इज़ वेरी डार्क, तो आई कैन से कि बहुत अच्छे से कवर कर दिया है. सो द कवरेज इज़ रियली गुड. एक्चुअली इट्स काइंड ऑफ a full coverage foundation, and the finish, oh my god, the finish is totally wow. It's looking so beautiful. My god, I'm actually amazed with this foundation. It is a very nice smooth finish, and I have not used any primer, but still my pores are visible. I won't say that my pores are not visible, but still they are not too visible. I hope you are getting what I'm trying to say here. I'm actually really happy how it applied. My god, you can clearly see the difference, right? Now let's apply on the other side. Also it's very easy to blend, like बहुत ज़्यादा effort नहीं करना पड़ रहा है इसको apply करने के लिए. I'll have to take little bit of more because एक पंप पे ना आपको काफ़ी कम फाउंडेशन मिलता है. So taking little bit of more. So this is how this foundation looks right now. I'm really happy the way this foundation has applied, and I can see that this one has oxidized a little bit already, but still it is not looking so bad. थोड़ा सा oxidize हुआ है face पे, थोड़ा सा orangish हो गया, but still it is not looking that bad. This foundation actually provides a very good coverage. Like you can see, it has covered most of my marks. So the coverage of this foundation is actually good, and the finish is really beautiful. It gives you that glam feel actually, and the finish is very natural. It is a matte foundation, but it doesn't feel dry anywhere. Like I don't see that it is, you know, clinging to my dry patches or anything. Like I don't have very dry skin, but some part of my cheek is a little bit dry nowadays, so I can see that it is not clinging to my dry patches. At least अभी तो ऐसा कुछ मुझे दिख नहीं रहा है. And the overall finish is good, and it is actually lightweight. It's not very heavy. Like जिस तरह के इसका consistency and the coverage है, तो उसके हिसाब से आपको लगेगा कि it will be heavy on the face, but it is not heavy. It's very lightweight foundation. So overall I'm actually really loving this foundation till now. अभी तक तो मुझे काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा है foundation, especially the finish जो ये foundation देता है वो बहुत ही beautiful है, बहुत ही अच्छी finish है. And you can see little bit of glow as well on my face. So ये आपको आपकी स्किन को एकदम फ्लैट लुक नहीं देता है. तो जनरली क्या होता है, जो मैट फाउंडेशंस होते हैं वो एकदम फ्लैट कर देते हैं आपके फेस को, बट दैट डजंट हैपन विद दिस वन. I think it is looking really beautiful, and so far I'm really liking this foundation. I'll wear this foundation for the rest of the day, and we'll see how this foundation stays on the face. Now let's move on to the next product, which is this one. This is their powder. It's their Airbrush Flawless Finish press powder. So it comes in this kind of packaging. The outer packaging is really beautiful, and all other details are mentioned here. So this powder also I didn't buy from Nykaa. I bought this one as well from Cult Beauty only. So on Nykaa, this powder retails for 4,300 rupees, and you get 8 gram of product in this. There are 4 shades available in this powder. There are actually only 4 shades in this powder: fair, medium, deep, and tan. The shade range of this powder is actually not good. केवल 4 ही शेड्स अवेलेबल हैं, बट स्टिल दिस पाउडर इज़ अ कल्ट फेवरेट पाउडर. लाइक आई हैव हर्ड इंटरनेशनल यूट्यूबर्स रेविंग अबाउट दिस फाउंडेशन. मतलब इंडिया में तो ये अभी ही लॉन्च हुआ है, बट मैंने बहुत सारे इंटरनेशनल यूट्यूबर्स को देखा है इसके बारे में बात करते हुए, एंड they say only good things about this foundation. So yeah, I always wanted to buy this one. So this is how this powder looks from inside. The packaging is really beautiful and again very luxurious. तो front पे Charlotte Tilbury का logo है. On the back you can see the expiry details and the shade and everything. So the shade which I got is medium, and this is how it looks from inside. You get a very nice mirror with this powder. I actually forgot to apply concealer, so first let me apply the concealer, and for that I'm using this Tarte Shape Tape concealer in the shade light medium. Since this foundation has covered most of the area on my face, I'm using this shade just to highlight the high points of my face. Now let's use this powder. So I'm taking the powder on this brush and just pressing the powder under the eyes. So I applied the powder only under this eye and you can see the difference. This part of my eye looks very matte and it has made this part of the eye very smooth. So this is the difference. Now let me apply it on rest of the face. So I'm applying this only at the places where I've applied concealer. So this is how my face looks after applying this powder. The shade which I got, this medium shade, is actually very good for my skin tone and it provides a very nice matte finish to the face. Also, I don't see a lot of coverage in this powder. There is very very light coverage with this foundation. Powder, which I actually prefer. मुझे नहीं चाहिए कि मेरे powder में ज़्यादा coverage हो. I actually don't prefer powder with a lot of coverage, so I think the coverage is actually good and बहुत ही अच्छी सी एक smooth finish देता है ये face को. Like I can see my under eyes are looking very smooth and it is feeling really nice. My under eye area is little bit dry, so sometimes what happens when I apply powders under my eyes, वो जो ड्राइनेस है वो थोड़ी ज़्यादा विजिबल हो जाती है, बट आई एम नॉट एक्सपीरियंसिंग द सेम विद दिस. आई एम एक्चुअली लविंग द अंडर आई एरिया. इट लुक्स एंड फील वेरी स्मूथ. फॉर नाउ आई एम लविंग दिस पाउडर. मतलब अभी तक जो मैंने एक्सपीरियंस किया है वो काफ़ी अच्छा है. इट वर्क्स रियली वेल. So yeah, I'm really happy with this powder as well, and it looks and feel very luxurious as well. Now this one also didn't costed me 4,300. It costed me a little bit less. I've actually got one more product from Charlotte Tilbury, which is this mascara. This one is a sample size. I got this in some of my order from one Instagram store. I got this sample free. I don't see this exact mascara on Nykaa. Maybe they have some other version there. But the one I have is Charlotte Tilbury Legendary Lashes Volume 2 Instant Volume and Length Miracle Mascara. So this is the packaging. This is a sample size actually. I thought why not use it in this video. So this is the mascara. So let's use it. Okay, so this is how the mascara looks like. This is only one coat and you can see the difference. It actually works really well. It is providing a very nice volume to the lashes and बहुत अच्छे से curl भी कर दिया lashes को. The wand is actually really good. So it provides very nice length, volume and curl to the lashes. So yeah, I think this mascara is also very good and it has provided a very nice length and volume to the lashes. So those were all the products I had from Charlotte Tilbury. Now I'll complete rest of my makeup quickly off camera and then I'll share my final thoughts on all these products. So guys, this is the final look. Now let's talk about all the products which I've tried one by one. So the very first product is this magic cream from Charlotte Tilbury. Now this cream is good. It provides good moisturization to the skin, but not like a lot of moisturization it will give to your skin. It feels very nice. It has a very nice smooth texture to it, and it applies very nicely on the face, and काफ़ी अच्छी सी luxurious सी feel है इस cream के साथ. But I didn't feel anything extraordinary with this cream. It's a good cream, but I didn't feel anything very extraordinary with this cream that you will spend that much money on this cream. Like if you're getting some discount, or if you're getting some good deal on this cream, and if you want to try it, then totally go for it. That there is nothing bad about the cream, just that I didn't feel anything extraordinary to spend that much money on this cream. So that is my experience and my observations with this cream. Now next is this foundation. I'm really loving this foundation, guys. This looks so beautiful on the face. It has given a very nice flawless finish to the face. It has provided very good coverage. The look and feel is really good. It's very natural looking on the face, and doesn't feel heavy. Somehow I'm feeling very glam wearing this foundation. It looks flawless on the face, and it has actually provided that airbrush finish. तो ओवरऑल ये जो फाउंडेशन है, अभी तक तो मुझे फाउंडेशन बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है. आई कैन सी इट हैज़ नॉट सेटल्ड इन माई स्माइल लाइन्स टिल नाउ, और थोड़ा सा ये अराउंड माई नोज कलेक्ट हुआ है, बट दैट हैपन्स विथ मी विथ मोस्ट ऑफ द फाउंडेशन, सो आई गेस दैट्स फाइन. लिटिल बिट आई कैन सी दैट इट इज़ कलेक्टिंग अराउंड माई नोज. बाकी ओवरऑल ये काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा है, एंड इट इज़ नॉट क्लिंगिंग टू एनी ऑफ द ड्राई पैचेज, और अभी तक तो कहीं से भी मूव नहीं हुआ है. एंड आई वोर दिस फुल फेस ऑफ मेकअप on top of this foundation, and everything applied very easily on top of the foundation, and actually it is looking so beautiful. Now about the oxidization part, I was very worried that this will oxidize a lot, because when मैंने जब उसको हाथ पे swatch किया था तो बहुत ज़्यादा oxidize हुआ था, but on the face I can see that oxidize हुआ है. I won't say that बिल्कुल भी oxidize नहीं हुआ है. It has oxidized on my face, but still it is looking really beautiful. बहुत ज़्यादा difference मुझे इतना पता नहीं चल रहा है. Like after applying the full face of makeup, उतना ज़्यादा difference पता नहीं चल रहा है, and it is still looking so beautiful, so nice. I'm actually already in love with this foundation. I hope it will stay like this for the rest of the day. I'm actually doing a wear test with this foundation, so I hope कि बाकी पूरा दिन भी अच्छे से मतलब ऐसा ही फील दे. So we'll see about that कि ये पूरा दिन कैसे stay करता है. But for now, I'm really loving this foundation. Now let's talk about the last product, which is this powder. This is actually a really beautiful powder. ये इसकी packaging and everything is very beautiful and very luxurious, और it works also really well. Like generally क्या होता है ना, मेरी as I already told you, मेरी under eyes थोड़ी dry है, तो आफ्टर अप्लाइंग पाउडर एंड कंसीलर थोड़े टाइम के बाद ये एरिया ना थोड़ा ड्राई लगने लगता है. बट दैट इज़ नॉट हैपनिंग विथ दिस पाउडर. आई कैन सी दैट स्टिल द अंडर आईज आर लुकिंग सो प्रिटी, एंड एकदम स्मूथ लग रही हैं. बिल्कुल भी कोई भी टेक्सचर आई कांट फील, बहुत ही स्मूथ लग रही है. एंड कंसीलर को बहुत अच्छे से सेट कर दिया है. द कंसीलर इज़ नॉट कलेक्टिंग इन माई फाइन लाइन्स, एंड इट्स नॉट क्रीसिंग और एनीथिंग. तो बहुत अच्छे से कंसीलर को सेट कर दिया. इट प्रोवाइड्स अ वेरी नाइस मैट फिनिश. इट डजंट हैव अ लॉट ऑफ कवरेज, बट आई एक्चुअली प्रेफर दैट. आई डोंट वांट माय पाउडर्स टू हैव अ लॉट ऑफ कवरेज. सो ओवरऑल आई थिंक दिस पाउडर इज़ रियली गुड. बहुत ही अच्छे से काम करता है. एंड इफ यू ऑल्सो face this problem where you have your dry under eyes, I would recommend you guys to try this powder. This is a really beautiful powder. I'll try this for some more time, and उसके बाद मैं आपको अपना और better experience बता पाऊँगी, better thoughts I can share with you on this foundation. But for now I'm really liking this powder. Not foundation, this is a powder. So yeah, for now I'm really liking this powder. It works really well, और कि दिखने में बहुत अच्छा है. So guys, that's all for now. I'll wear this foundation for rest of the day, and I'll see you at the end of the day. So this is approximately 6 o'clock, guys, and I've been wearing this foundation from last 4 hours, and this is how it looks after 4 hours. You can see. I can see the foundation is still looking really good. It has not moved from anywhere. It has just collected around my nose. बाकी कहीं पे भी मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं दिख रही है स्टिल. एंड माई फेस इज़ नॉट लुकिंग ऑयली और एनीथिंग. स्टिल एवरीथिंग लुक्स सो गुड. कहीं से भी फाउंडेशन मूव नहीं हुआ है, स्मज या बज नहीं हुआ है, एंड डिडंट ट्रांसफर एज वेल फ्रॉम एनीवेयर, एंड एवरीथिंग इज़ लुकिंग रियली गुड. जनरली फाउंडेशन मेरी स्माइलिंग में सेट हो जाते हैं, बट that didn't happen with this foundation. I was actually thinking like since it was collecting around my nose, मुझे लग रहा था कि ये मेरी स्माइल लेंस में भी सेट हो जाएगा, क्रीज हो जाएगा, बट आई सी दैट दैट डिडंट हैपन येट. अभी तक तो everything is looking really good. I'll wear this foundation for 2 to 3 hours more and then we'll see how it looks. So it's 8:30 now and it's been approximately 7 to 7.5 hours since I'm wearing this foundation, and this is how it looks. So I can see the foundation is still looking good. It has not moved from anywhere. It has not separated. It started collecting in my smile lines a little bit, still not too much as you can see. थोड़ा बहुत कलेक्ट होना शुरू हो गया है स्माइल लाइन्स में. अदरवाइज ओवरऑल इट इज़ लुकिंग रियली गुड एंड आई एम नॉट लुकिंग greasy or anything. There is a little bit of oil here and around my nose, but not much. So it is looking glowy, not greasy or oily, and it is still looking good overall. And I think this foundation is a really good foundation. It stays put for this much long time, and after wearing it for like 7 hours or something, still it looks so beautiful, and I'm totally loving this foundation and looking forward to wear this foundation even more. And उसके basis पे मैं आपको और reviews देते रहूँगी इस foundations की in my future videos. So yeah guys, that's all for today's video. I hope you liked this video and it was helpful for you. If you did, please like and share this video. Also please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already, and don't forget to press the notification bell so that you will be notified for my future uploads. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I'll see you in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye.